Hey everyone, this is Lakshay and welcome back to Tech Binder. So today we are having another cool product from New Republic, and this time we are having Starboy 2. So after great success of Starboy 1, they launched a new and better version, and this is Starboy 2. So we will do the unboxing and review of this product and let's see how good these are. Well, I really like the tagline of these headphones, all about the bass. So these headphones are really gonna have deep bass as required by consumers. So without any further ado, let's dive in this video. The packing is really very nice. Now let's jump to the specifications. So these are wireless headphone, Bluetooth version 4.1, 40mm neodymium drivers, passive noise cancellation. Don't even think of active noise cancellation in this price point. 12 hours of battery life, and even we are having a 3.5mm jack, so that even if the juice runs out, you can still enjoy your music. And this is what I'm talking about, extra bass. How good the bass of these headphones are. So here comes the user manual guide in this new Starboy wireless headphones, and everything that you pretty much required about these headphones will be there in this user manual guide. Apart from that, now comes our New Republic Boom. So these looks pretty great, and the build quality was also very awesome, and they also have this golden color which looks very funky and very attractive. So if you go in public and if you wanna wear these headphones, a lot of people are gonna ask you about these headphones as they're really funky. So here we are having, wow, a 3.5mm aux gold plated cable, and apart from that we are having a long micro USB cable, and that is for charging. So this is all in the box. Keeping the box content aside, and let's talk more about these headphones. I'm in love with the color and the display, and they looks pretty awesome in this color and design. So let's power this up and let's do the sound and button test on these headphones. It's very easy to power them up. Just press the play or pause button for 3 to 4 seconds and they're gonna power up. The procedure is really very simple. As you connect other Bluetooth headphones, just turn the Bluetooth on your phone and click on pair new device. So it's time for some music, and let's see how good these are gonna be in our music test. So first try our play and pause functionality. Boom. It's really very fast. Now if you're gonna move to the forward track, just press once the forward track and you'll be in the forward track. It's really very easy. And if you want to move to the back track, just click on the back track and you're on the back track. If you want to increase the volume, hold down for 3 seconds and you will increase the volume. So it's really very great. So the button controls are really very simple and really very snappy. So these headphones has passed in our button test and sound test. Talking about the build quality, the build quality is good. It's not very great, but yeah, it's good. It's all made of plastic, so the weight reduction is very well done, and these are pretty lightweight. The cushioning is also very good in the ear cups and also on the headrest. They also come with civilian design so that they can be easily fitted in your backpack. Now talking about the comfortability, they are really very comfortable over my ears. So it's very good to show off, and a lot of people are gonna surely ask from where you have purchased these headphones. These headphones are surely for the people those who are looking for deep bass. So these headphones have 40mm of neodymium drivers and the bass quality is super. So if you really want deep bass, then these headphones are pretty much for you. Apart from the deep bass, the vocals are clear and you can pretty much well enjoy your music even in a crowded place, because these are little bit loud. But they do not have active noise cancellation, they only comes with passive noise cancellation. So if you are looking for active noise cancellation headphones, here they are. Now coming to the end of the video, for whom these headphones are recommended. These headphones are recommended for the people those who really want funky headphones and those who want to do show off. Apart from that, if you are looking for deep bass headphones, then surely you're gonna purchase these headphones. The price point I think would be around something in 2000 range. So what you're waiting for? Go and purchase your Starboy 2 and flaunt it. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have not subscribed my channel till yet, click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can receive latest video notifications whenever I upload a new video on my channel. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and catch you in the next video.